Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 11 of my 2020 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this red and green striped water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For this manicure, as my base color, I'll be using Holo Taco Not Milky White. Then I'll be water marbling with green Taffy as well as red Licorice. Once I have the base color down, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex and tape. As usual for water marbling, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. This isn't quite a bullseye, as I'm going to be working on a stripe design, but I'm going to go ahead and pull from the center out to the sides. Then I'm just going to begin drawing in the stripes in the middle. If the lines are a little wiggly, you can manipulate them a little bit in the cup, but you want to be careful because water marbles can be kind of unpredictable when you try to mess with them that way. I'm going to go ahead and dip 2 nails at a time, and I'm going to be trying to keep the design pretty much horizontal on the nail. So go ahead and line up, and then dip in. Clean off any excess polish from the surface of the cup so that it doesn't stick on your design. And then I'm going to slowly pull my nails out to help avoid bubbles. Then remove the protection and move on to the rest of my nails. Once I'm done marbling all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and clean up. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas and also on the underside of the nail, and then I'll be getting in close with a small brush dipped in acetone. I'm going to go ahead and push any bubbles flat. You can see there's a couple here on the middle nail and a couple smaller ones on the index. And then I'm going to use a tiny bit of green polish and a small brush to fill in these couple white spots. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. We have a few bubbles that didn't quite get pressed flat, or that in a couple cases I didn't notice, so I'm going to try a little bit more polish surgery and then another layer of top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm fairly pleased with how this turned out, although I do feel a certain kind of way about the inconsistencies. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.